Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney. Today we're going to discuss how to calculate child support amounts in Texas. In a final court order affecting a child or children, the court can order three different types of child support. The court can order current child support, which is an amount a party is ordered to pay in the future once the case is completed. The court can also order medical child support, which includes dental insurance. And finally, the court can order retroactive child support to compensate for child care expenses up to 4 years prior to the start of the suit. Today we're going to focus on calculating current child support amounts. Current child support is calculated by 1. Determining the monthly net resources of the party that is ordered to pay, also known as the obligor. And number 2, applying the Texas child support guidelines against the monthly net resources amount. And 3, adjusting the child support amount with any deviating factors. So let's take a closer look at each step. Number 1, determine the monthly net resources of the spouse ordered to pay. Net resources is determined by adding all of the obligor's sources of income and deducting certain items such as taxes, union dues, and any health insurance for the child or children. Step number 2 is to apply the Texas child support guidelines. Once the monthly net resources amount is determined, it is applied against the Texas child support guidelines to determine the child support amount. Child support is calculated based on percentages. Here is a chart of the applicable percentages. For example, if the obligor has 3 children involved in the case before the court and 0 children for which he or she is currently paying child support for, the child support amount will be 30% of the obligor's monthly net resources. So here's another example. If the obligor has 2 children involved in the case before the court and 1 child from a previous relationship for which he or she is currently paying child support for, the child support amount will be 22.5% of the obligor's monthly net resources for the case that is pending before the court. And step number 3, consider any deviating factors. The court can order the obligor to pay more or less than the amount that is calculated using the guidelines. Some of the factors the courts can use to deviate from the amount include the age and needs of the child, any travel costs for visitation, and extraordinary educational, healthcare, or other expenses of the child.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.